Hello, I'm going to walk you through my cheetah hack that I learned the other day and loved the outcome of. I loved how light it was. I really liked just like the ease of it. It was like the perfect everyday at home makeup. I say every day at home because every day is literally at home right now. So what's really fun is that I just use my fingers, and I'm not a really big fan of using my fingers. So like I don't usually do it like this, but I did really like how light of an application it was. And I felt like it just looked so much more natural. So I'm gonna try again. I do wish like I could think of another way to get like the same kind of look without using my fingers. So maybe that'll be next. But what's cool about it, what I like about it, is that like you're putting the product exactly where you want to see it. So like I have full control over like where I'm putting each part of the makeup. And sometimes like with a brush, you can put a little bit too much on, or it's like not exactly where you want it. So I do like that like this is not doing that, you know? Okay, so I've done my brightening, which is like a concealer. That's like kind of what you want to think, how you want to think about it. And then I just did my contour, and I'm going to go into like my main highlight color, which works more like foundation and coverage. I'm wiping my fingers off on my hand. And we're just gonna take that in this general area, kind of like everywhere else. What's also really good about the cream makeup is that like you are not layering like one layer of one color and then another layer and then another layer. Like it's so much better for your skin because you are getting, your skin can breathe better. Like it's not as heavy. And you can see like this color that I'm using right now just blends into my skin like butter. Like it is a perfect match for my skin tone. Like you can barely even see it. I do get a lot of redness in my nose, so I do want more coverage there. And I kind of went in yesterday and added some. So that was my main highlight. I'm gonna come in with some bronzer, which looks great. They're super pigmented. Just where I want to warm up my face, a little bit down here, and a little bit up there. Okay. What do we think? Do we look crazy? I'm gonna take a picture. The magical brush, the best the best brush ever. I love this brush. It's like phenomenal. This side's like a dense, thick side, and I'm just gonna stipple everything in. Like literally all I've done is tap the colors in place, and now I'm stippling it all the shades together. Like, look how pretty it just all smooths out. Like, it's so nice. I was amazed when I did it yesterday. So it's the first time I've ever done it, and so just watching it all, that does not look like it's gonna work out well. How does this work? How does this work so well? It just does, people. I have a hair in my face. It just freaking works. And it's so easy. Like, that was like paint by numbers. So easy. You just number your face and put the color in. I'm like bending down because my mirror is lower when I'm on my phone. Look at how pretty that is. Stop. Oh my gosh. It's bananas. I've added 0 color except for what you saw me put on my face. I'm blown away. The only part, like, for me, and this is definitely a personal thing, is my nose, like I said earlier, is just has some red. So I'm gonna dab a mixture of that color just for this area of my face. I mixed the brightener and my main color, so I took these 2 colors here on my brush, and I just am kind of dabbing really lightly back on because I do want heavier coverage in that part of my face. But you guys, this makeup is the best. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger again. Still not a fan. We're gonna get this application without finger. I'm gonna figure this out because I'm dying over how natural this looks. But I'm just putting some blush on. I love this color, Tropicana. It's just a very light, like, peachy pink. If you can feel put together, feel the best that you are in your skin, that easy, ugh. Let me help you do it.